have a double unboxing today. However, only one of these items is mine. This one is mine. This one is for my daughter. We had a fantastic mother-daughter shopping day last week and going to Louis Vuitton to do a scheduled event for the men's watches. As you know, Father's Day is coming up and my husband is a watch junkie. So we went and did that, and it's her graduation next month. She has endured a lot to get to this graduation, including 3 of our moves. So despite her graduating high school at 16, she's getting her associates and she is moving on to university, has already been accepted. So hopefully she'll have her bachelor's with all of these credits in about a year. Start with Mama's unboxing. I see a lot of you guys showing this around on Instagram and on YouTube. We're not all the same when it comes to this. I will show you mine, and I'm enjoying seeing everybody else's. It's the beautiful bandeau, the zodiac, and mine is the Virgo. Love how it's folded, because sometimes you're upside down, sometimes you're, I don't know, inside out. Virgo. And then on the back side, it's like this. From Dior last year. I should have brought it out for this. It's black and white with the zodiac bits on it for my sign. I am 110% a Virgo, and I will never stop repping my sign because it has a lot to do with my personality. So yeah, I got the one from Dior, and thank you, Wendy's Loving Life, because you hooked me up with your sales associate down, I believe, at South Coast Plaza Mall. And I don't know where I was living at the time, Vegas or Texas, but I was able to get that from him really fast, and I really enjoy that piece. So I was glad Louis Vuitton came out with it and that I was able to get one, and I will be rocking and representing for the Virgos. Now let's get to what we got for my daughter, and she picked this out herself. We're going to wait until graduation day before she gets to have it. She also has some other surprises coming that she doesn't know about, but this was something she wanted to get or have a choice of on her own. If you've watched one of my other videos, she has a budding collection of nice leather Coach and Louis Vuitton that we've started. Just some classic, essential kind of bits to get her going for her own collection. She has a wide-ranging taste in things, so you know, why not? And since this is a milestone, this is what she's getting. Isn't this cute? Very cute for a girl about to turn 20 later on this summer. It is the Monogram cosmetic pouch. She had her choice of several items and went for this. It is just beautiful. I haven't held one of these in a long time. This is the interior. You can see the side pockets, slot, another pocket here. Nice and clean and perfect. She's a big makeup lover. And I guess she can also, I told her, you know, she could use this for a little clutch if she wants. She already has a mini pochette that she uses for actually a handbag. We got a strap off of Etsy, and she uses that for like a little crossbody bag because she doesn't carry as much crap as her mom does. And that's what she picked out, a nice classic. I told her you can't go wrong with the classics. So that's her graduation gift, and she's got more coming that she doesn't know about, and I'm pretty excited about some of those things too. Not more Louis Vuitton, but more stuff. And then I think she wants a shopping spree on top of that, so we've already started that process at Bloomie's with our new personal shopper, and she just wants some key items for her wardrobe. But she's like a girl that can thrift shop or go to Target and buy things and then have some solid pieces in her wardrobe, especially if she gets to intern and such in the fall. But yeah, that's her gift. It's going back in the box for the next couple weeks. And then we're going to make a big deal about this drive-through graduation. So Can't wait. We're very, very proud of her. But she said I could share it with you guys, so yep, there we go. And that was a fun unboxing for me. Make sure that you hit subscribe and notifications so that you know when I post my next video. Follow me on Instagram because I do actually post some content that I only post there or on my TikTok. And yeah, I want you to join the family. I will be reviewing more items and doing more fashion. So yeah, I want you to be a part of it. I want you to come on over and tell me what you think of an item, what you think of what I've shown you. And if you bought something, I want to hear about it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for joining me for this one and watching all the way through if you did. Thank you. Bye.